Our next type of comparison is compare actions. Those are things people do. So in this formula, what we do is we first take the name of the person who is doing the action, add the verb or the verb phrase of what the people are doing, plus más, plus the adjective if the adjective is needed, plus que, plus the name of the second person. So in the first example, we have I speak faster than she does. So yo hablo más rápido que ella. We have all the parts there. In the next one, we just want to say someone runs less than someone else. So we don't need an adjective since there's no adjective to describe how they're running. So we say ellos corren menos que nosotros, and we just leave the adjective spot blank. And that means they run less than we do. In the last one, we have a verb phrase put in there instead of just a verb. Pones la mesa means sets the table. So we want to say you set the table more than I do. So we're going to eliminate the adjective again because we don't need the adjective. And we're going to say tú pones la mesa más que yo. If we wanted to say that someone sets the table faster than I do, then we could say tú pones la mesa más rápido que yo. Now go ahead and give it a try, compare some actions, see if you get the hang of it.